Today's video we discuss how to create a black rectangle symbol using keyboard shortcut in your computer. So open your Microsoft Word. So you open your MS Word document Microsoft Word in your Windows computer, and after that you can go to your computer keyboard, and this keyboard you can see this is the Alt key. Okay, before that you can see this is the number lock. Okay, so must click this number lock. Now you have enabled the number lock, and after that you can see the Alt key on the space left side of the space bar or right side of the space bar. There you can see an Alt key. I am pressing this Alt key on the left side of the space bar, so I press and hold this Alt key. At the same time I am going to type here 9644. Okay, after typing 9644 I simply release my finger from this Alt key. Okay, now you can see that we have created a black rectangle. You can see that a black rectangle symbol have been created in our computer using this keyboard shortcut method. For more videos you can subscribe Engineers Online. Thank you.